Well, look at you. Well, look at you. Well, look at you, Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. Oh, she's a water dog. Yes, she is. She's a water dog. Can you swim? Can you swim, Lucy? Can you? Pretty nice, huh? Now where are you going?
No, she doesn't seem to be interested in getting too wet. Maybe it's just like cold.
There's Dana. Oh, back in. Oh, she's back in. Oh,
we're just going to turn this way down low, like that. There. Now, look at how.
Oh, how comfortable.
She's so pretty.
She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. Oh,
now shake all over us. Roll all over. We just had a $50 bath. Actually, more than that. Oh, I gotta water my flowers. Where'd she run? Oh, she's so
Where'd you go?